Hi.
Looks like we'll be drinking with the grandmas. Let's go for a tour.
This is my house. Oh, this is my bed. Small, my clothes.
Today we are doing something a little bit different. Trisha invited me to spend the day with her and her family. So we're just gonna go to her place and see what it's normal daily life for the locals here in the beautiful Philippines. I'm sure I'm gonna be surprised about something.
I'm excited to.
You think I will make it?
Yeah, maybe.
Or is it gonna be too much for me? I will run to hotel. It looks like we found a Colosseum in the Philippines. Kind of unexpected. What's that? Maybe that's just some luxury housing. No, it's actually like a Colosseum. It's gonna be arena inside.
I'm so nervous. It's my first time bringing a guy.
Okay, so it looks we are basically there, right, Trish?
Yeah. So.
So let's go meet the family. Good. Hey. Yeah, coconuts there.
Yeah, we can pick one.
Yeah, it's actually a nice garden. And chicken.
My hands are shaking.
It's okay.
Wala ka na.
And duck. Go. Hey. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Here is your room. You can sleep here.
Oh, it's nice. Where do you sleep? A nice kitchen.
Here.
Ah, okay.
My brother. Who hold
Which one?
the one who hold the umbrella.
Hi.
And my mother. Welcome to Mobile
Hi, how are you?
Wait, how are you now?
Hi.
English.
Hello.
Hello.
You speak English?
No, I speak.
Which one of you know how to speak English?
Kinsa ko rin kabalo ninyo mo English? No.
You can try speaking English.
Master.
You're master. Oh, there are small chickens. Hey.
We have fish here.
Fish.
Yeah. There. We
that's
can grill
for-
that.
It's for eating.
Yeah.
No, but it's very nice view in the background.
Yeah.
is the fields and
Come here.
Oh, this?
Come here. Ay, dai pasok pa dai.
yes, very nice.
Ma, dito ma. Harapin niyo muna. This is Grand Lola.
Oh, there's a baby.
Hello.
Wow. Oh, no,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Welcome to our homes.
Thanks, Mia.
I'm the grandmother of Tricia.
She's my cousin. He's my baby, oh.
It's your baby? What's the name?
Sean Melvin.
Sean Melvin.
So
How
this
many
is my
grandchildren
son.
you have?
12.
12.
I have 12 granddaughters.
Yes. All around.
Coconut wine.
Okay, I can try it.
Oh, I can. Sige me.
Tingnan you like to drink coconut wine.
You drink coconut wine?
Yes.
Yeah, ish.
You make the wine?
No, when? Fix it.
This is my husband.
And he makes the wine? Or you buy it?
No,
Sometimes
I have wine.
Sometimes we make.
Okay, we are in the house and it looks like everybody from the neighborhood came to visit his house. More people coming still.
Okay. You drink tube.
Tapos na pa. Tapos na sa.
Okay, I will
I cannot drink
Wala, saan
alone.
ba pababaso? Ibang baso na lang.
I need someone to drink with me.
Mga palahubog na. Kanyang tagay-tagay na talaga. Okay naman na.
Looks like I will be drinking with the grandma.
Grandmother is always drinking chua.
Grapes.
Cheers! Cheers! Oh, mother! Cheers! Ha? Buko din ako makarga. Kapakto kay sa mata ba ni mo?
Okay, now the food is being served. Okay, so it's chaotic and loud as I expected. Basically, we went to one of the grandma's house, then to the other, and then the whole family came to the one living room together to came to just to see me, I guess. Then the coconut wine came, and yeah, nobody speaks much of English, but it's still fun. What's the plan for today? We'll go back and then what?
Drink.
And drink more.
Coconut wine.
This is the room they prepared for me to stay at. It's almost like a hotel. I think it's better than actually the some of the hotel we saw before. Is this their normal bedroom?
Yeah.
So they just cleaned this because of me?
Yeah.
No, they didn't have to do that. Yeah, look at that. Because they wanted me to have a good comfort, and this is the only room with the AC, right?
Yeah.
Like already covered with mosquito bites everywhere all the time, but Trish is just like this all the day, and
No mosquito.
also baby ducks and chickens here. What are they for? They are just for meat?
And when they get big, they will ready to eat.
We arrived at Trisha's house, so let's go for a tour. Just
Welcome. Welcome to my tiny house. Kitchen 2, kitchen 1. Come.
hello, how are you? Simon, is this your house?
He doesn't know how to speak. That's me. I
Well, here. Yeah.
just hi.
So where is your room?
I think it's me. Juan Filipino.
So it's like a tiny room. You have all your stuff here.
Cause tiny Trisha. Oh, this is my bed. Small. My clothes.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
your
that's it.
and your parents sleep in the main room.
That way, but
And
they
the-
don't have. And just on the floor. They sleep on the floor.
Oh, there is other room.
Yeah.
And your brother
That one there.
on the bed there. And when it rains heavy, is there water
No, no.
coming? No. It's good. Okay, so I sleep here and you sleep at the grandma?
No.
No.
You wouldn't fit there. Hey, brother.
Right here again. Here. Is that a good bet?
Good.
Good.
Good. He said good.
That's your brother? Oh, Kitty.
Bitaw.
This is my house.
Yeah, thank you for showing me.
When the day, when it's day, because it's so hot here. And 6 p.m. onwards, my bed is my
6
bed.
p.m. onwards at the bed.
Because it's not hot. So I studied Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Tormok City. So I will ride a bus going there, like almost 40 minutes.
40 minutes, but it's not very that far. Is it like 15 kilometers?
Yeah, it's not that far.
But the bus takes long.
Yeah.
Then what do you do in the evening?
Sometimes I prepare dinner for the family, and sometimes not. Just lying down, playing with my phone, or sleep.
And what are you gonna do now after you finish the university?
Maybe I go back to Cebu with my friends to look for a job. Manifesting.
Party here. You are being our bodyguards.
Ang kotse, your kotse, you move because... Kung saan mo na ikulubot na detail?
Hi. How do you like to live here?
10 out of 10.
10 of 10.
100 of 10.
100 of 10. That's good.
I like it. Friends.
Our bodyguards.
Bodyguard. Europe. It's called moron.
Moron.
Yeah. Rice bunny? I don't know.
Hello.
Welcome to the pyramid.
What do you like to do?
Basketball.
Basketball? And today? Did you play today? Why not?
Hot.
Hot. And now it's dark. Oh, there we go again. Just mix it with that.
Yeah. Same like Tandoy and Coke.
You want to drink too? Guys, what an experience this was. I'm really tired. Just gonna take a shower and go to sleep and talk to you in the morning and see what else. See you tomorrow. Yes, it's very nice. Good morning from the house. It actually was a pretty decent sleep. The dogs and chickens make a little bit of noise, but it wasn't all that bad, so I had a good sleep.
Yeah, breakfast. Maybe you want to go to walk? Like go for a walk. There.
Okay, we're gonna go for a walk there. Good morning.
Morning.
Opo, anak.
Ang tanin ako'y butang.
And now we are going uphill for a little walk around the village. Hey, can you tell us where are we going?
Hermitage. That's my jeep.
Your jeepney. Happy with having rice finally?
Finally, after A decade.
How long?
A decade.
Decade. After decade.
After a decade.
You
Finally.
prize. So happy.
Rice is life. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. It's been quite a cool experience. Now we're just gonna say goodbye to the other grandma and then we'll be on the way.
Okay. Thank you also.
You know how to speak Tagalog?
Mangita.
So what do you think? Could you live like this? It was definitely an interesting experience. I'm very glad I got to meet the family and get a glimpse into the locals' life. It was very interesting, and that's not the experience you can get on Airbnb experiences. And I definitely need some alone time now because it was quite intense.
Later, Simon will have time alone, and I'll go back to my house. And I know they will gonna interview me, so I will just stay in my room for like 24 hours.
This also makes me a little more grateful about all the things we have in Europe, in the West, as normal, because yeah, normal is a very different thing here, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the road.